Hello, my name is Dr. Anusri Upendran. I am an internal medicine doctor working in a medical college. As an internal medicine doctor, I am getting lot of patients with lot of musculoskeletal complaints. So I was thinking of where to put it, whether it's just aches and pains, or it is a really arthritic problem, or is it something more like a systemic disease. So it was very difficult when you spend in the initial few hours with the patient. So it's rheumatological diseases are ongoing processes, so it may take long time and expertise to diagnose such patients. So I thought of doing a course, and from studying from the best like BMJ. So I opted for this course, and before coming here I was on the score of 0 to, on the scale of 0 to 10, I would say I was a 4 or 5 in the knowledge regarding this musculoskeletal diseases and rheumatological diseases. So after attending the course, actually I found it very enlightening, and I feel much more confident in diagnosing, not only diagnosing but to give them the right directions where to go and what to expect from the diseases, and I feel really confident. And that is my advice to all of you, that you should at least try this course, and the doctors, the mentors are really good, and I find it really enlightening. Thank you.